Hey everybody, Stu Weinstock here from Miami, Florida. Do you ever feel that sometimes you have snags in your keto lifestyle and diet, that there are some weeks that are not going too well, and perhaps even you're gaining a few pounds here and there, and you wonder, gee, how can I get back onto track? Well, let's discover some ways to turn some snags into some positives for you this evening. Trying out a new diet comes with a lot of challenges. Even those who have been living the ketogenic lifestyle for quite a while face some obstacles or setbacks along the way. Unfortunately, these things do not always go as planned, and when that happens, your problem-solving skills become essential. The truth is, without these skills, a keto dieter will find it difficult to stay on track and stay focused and to succeed with the lifestyle. This video will talk about some of the important ways to identify problems and what solutions you can use to adjust your keto lifestyle and diet. Now, number one, the important thing is when you are caught up in a snag and things are not going that well, you need to identify the problem, acknowledge the problem. The primary step in problem solving is definitely identifying the issue. Being honest with yourself about what is working or not working is crucial. It could be that you are always hungry, finding it challenging to hit your macro goals, or having trouble with meal planning. You may want to write down things you feel hinder your progress, and sometimes that's fruitful to do. Doing so will give you clarity and a better understanding of what you need to work on to succeed. It's very important to create a plan. Once you have identified what is holding you back, it's time to plan a way to move forward. You could consider setting goals, creating a meal plan, or resetting your macros. And from time to time, we all need to reset our macros, our carbs, proteins, and fats. You may also want to review your shopping habits and pantry inventory. A change in routine or trying new keto recipes can put you back on track. Sometimes doing some different recipes that are keto are very exciting and will get you back on the right track. Additionally, you may want to seek the support of a dedicated keto community, such as the Keto Recipes Group for Beginners, which is my group, or Clean Eating with Kids. There are a lot of different keto groups online that you can participate in and really prosper by. A third tip is to get creative. Problem solving often requires creativity, from thinking outside the box with more innovative solutions. If you find that some meals are no longer tasty, or that your usual meal prep routine is time-consuming, then it's time to get creative. You may want to try out new recipes, change your cooking methods, or incorporate new ingredients. For instance, perhaps using coconut flour instead of almond flour, or different ingredients, different spices could be helpful in terms of creating more enthusiasm for you for the meal. Moreover, instead of recooking the same meals, you could choose to plan ahead and make a list of your favorite meals and snacks, creating a variety within your household. Okay, and a fourth tip is staying focused. It's natural to experience setbacks on your keto journey, but that does not mean you should give up. One solution to staying focused is to practice meditation, yoga, or develop a healthy coping mechanism to keep calm and motivated. You may want to keep a food journal or track your progress daily to monitor accountability. Additionally, you may create a vision board, marking milestones and rewarding yourself when you achieve certain goals. Lastly, seeking support from a trusted friend, family member or your keto group, or a ketogenic lifestyle coach, for example, like me, can go a long way in staying the course. A fifth suggestion is reevaluation. As you continue with the keto lifestyle and develop stronger problem-solving skills, it's essential to reevaluate your progress on a regular basis. Reviewing what has worked and what hasn't will give room for improvement and the ability to make better decisions. You can assess your progress at weekly, monthly, or quarterly intervals by keeping a food diary or tracking key metrics. Doing so will give you a better understanding of what you need to improve, what to continue working on, and milestones you have achieved. So in conclusion, developing problem-solving skills is critical to maintaining adherence to the keto lifestyle and diet. Identifying problems, creating a plan, getting creative, staying focused, and reevaluating progress are essential steps in overcoming obstacles. The keto journey is not always easy, everybody, but with a positive mindset and consistent effort, you can achieve the desired results. You can do it. Remember, nobody is perfect, and setbacks are a part of life. Embrace the journey. Be kind to yourself, most importantly, and enjoy progressing towards your goals. So there you go. This is Stu Weinstock from Miami. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button below. I would truly appreciate that. We'll talk to you again tomorrow, and certainly if you have any comments or questions, please put them below this video. I truly appreciate that. I will respond to everybody. Take good care. Bye-bye now.